How to fix minor electrical problems like outlet. Subscribe for more videos. The first step to solving any electrical problem is finding the actual problem. If one outlet in a room isn't working, the problem may be at that outlet, or at the one before it in the circuit. If a light doesn't work, it may be as simple as the bulb being burned out, or a bad switch, or a bad light socket, or maybe even a dropped neutral or hot wire on an outlet that powers the circuit. The hardest part is always finding the problem. The repair is usually easy. Finding electrical problems is made much easier with a multimeter. For a novice, and even for experts, circuits should be turned off at the breaker panel before you work on them, unless of course you need to check for voltage at a location using your multimeter. For a video on how to use a multimeter, you can easily find several on your favorite video site, like YouTube. With some basic multimeter know-how, and a little patience, most electrical problems can be found in fairly short order. In lighting circuits, once you have ruled out the bulb, the switch is a good place to start. Switches are mechanical devices which get turned on and off over and over. They break or wear out regularly. First, with the power still on and the switch off, check to see if one of the two terminals is live, or hot. Then turn the switch on and see if the other terminal gets live. If not, then the switch is bad and should be replaced. Do not forget to turn off the power to the circuit before fixing it. Outlets are wired in series, that is, one feeds the next and so on. If one hot or neutral wire gets pulled off or burns off an outlet, the rest of the outlets in that circuit won't work. Yanking cords out of outlets is a primary cause of this problem, as well as circuit overloading, too much stuff plugged in at once on the same outlet or the same circuit. If you are overloading your circuits, you may want to consider having a new circuit run to that area, so you can split the load between the two circuits. Burned wires are caused by loose connections or circuit overloading. Occasionally I have seen lightning strikes cause it too, but that is normally right at the meter box. Fix burned off wires by first ensuring the circuit is turned off, then cutting off the burned wire, stripping it back again and tightening it into place. If the wire is burned off at an outlet or switch, replace that item. They're much cheaper than having a potential fire in your house, right? The electrical system is no place to cut corners. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.